In the early days of humanity, two brothers approached God with an offering. Abel brought the best of his flock, and Cain brought what was convenient. God accepted Abel's offering, not because it was bigger, but because it was sincere. Cain's heart, however, was divided, and when his offering wasn't accepted, jealousy began to grow. Instead of correcting his heart, Cain compared himself to his brother. Instead of choosing worship, he chose resentment, and jealousy, left unchecked, led to the first murder in human history. The story of Cain and Abel is more than a tragedy. It's a warning and an invitation. God still asks us the same question he asked Cain: why are you angry? If you do what is right, will you not be accepted? Jealousy destroys, comparison blinds, but worship restores. Abel shows us the power of honoring God with our best. Cain reminds us how far a jealous heart can fall. Today, choose worship over comparison. Choose obedience over resentment. And give God not what is convenient, but what is sincere.